Are you having problems that your Cash App that it's not loading and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Cash App, and instead I actually went into my settings app on my phone. So on my settings app, what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down and click on storage in here, and then we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load right here. It might take you a couple of seconds to be able to load this page, just so you know. And now when it's done, just scroll up like this and then click on the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, search for Cash App in here, and just click on the Cash App, then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. So now we're just going to wait for it to actually say the blue text here once again, as you can see, because then you will be able to actually now reinstall your Cash App to its latest version. Because what you're going to do now is to actually force your Cash App to update to its absolute latest version. So now when it's done, you're just going to wait. It's going to probably take you like a couple of minutes maybe, depending on how good your connection is. When it's done, go back into your Cash App, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.